YouTube's algorithm operates as a complex processing machine, built to sort billions of signals and predict viewer behavior with precision. In early July, a sudden data freeze paused that processing flow for specific logs. This YouTube Studio dashboard shows a specific warning. Video views were explicitly underreported between June 30th and July 7th, 2026. While data restrictions of this type occur during massive server-side lags, the channel associated with this specific report had a footprint of only 3,400 subscribers. We have to look at how a channel this small could generate data anomalous enough to trigger a validation freeze in the platform's analytical pipelines. The timing and intensity of this reporting lag follow the digital footprint of a deliberate, calculated system shock. The strategy began on July 1st, when the channel executed a structural migration, moving from the broad lifestyle category into science and technology. Simultaneously, the creators deactivated all paid advertising campaigns for the channel. By switching to pure, organic external traffic, the creators cut off the predictable, low-retention data supply that the algorithm had used to categorize the channel. This sudden shift in traffic quality forced the indexing bots to discard their established viewer profile assumptions. By altering the channel's metadata and traffic sources within a 24-hour window, the creators cleared the algorithm's existing model of the channel. To build a new audience profile, they launched a dedicated WhatsApp community consisting of the channel's most active subscribers. This group created a concentrated velocity signal, injecting high engagement into new releases. They generated a high-fidelity loop, maintaining near 100% average view duration. The data shows a statistical anomaly: 1.1K likes paired with nearly 1,000 shares. In a standard life cycle, shares represent a small fraction of likes. A 1-to-1 ratio indicates that the audience is actively distributing the content across external networks. To an indexing bot, this combination of maximum watch time and rapid external sharing resembles the patterns of a viral surge or automated traffic. When the platform's validation protocols encounter this level of anomalous velocity, the system often pauses real-time counters to verify the integrity of the views, leading to the data backlog seen in the analytics. The WhatsApp group provided the necessary momentum to force the recommendation engine to recognize the content's retention metrics immediately, bypassing standard discovery timelines. The target of 250,000 views in July serves a specific commercial objective beyond creator metrics or ad revenue. This media asset is designed as a discovery mechanism that brings in new users with no acquisition cost. This zero-cost model allows a startup to filter for tech-literate viewers who are already interested in decentralized systems. Once engaged, these viewers are directed towards the Sigma BankAI platform to participate in the ecosystem. The conversion goal is to have these users download custodial digital wallets and run validator nodes, providing the technical infrastructure for the network. This strategy utilizes a community to transition a video audience into the active network architecture of the Sigma BankAI platform.